Hello everyone, my name is Tony Trill. I'm the CEO of the Venetian, and I welcome you to our another edition of the Venetian family to Houston, Texas. We are currently here doing a grand opening at the Lincoln Lane by Memorial City. So I'm going to give you a quick highlight of the salon and what we did. We start out with 4,500 square feet salon, and this area is where the front reception does, and we have quite a bit of a turnout today to come out and celebrate with us and friends and family, and especially with the customer. Let's do a quick tour of the salon and what we offer here. Right? This is a really unique design of the space. My goal is to have an open concept, open salon. Instead of a separate pedicure room, which we don't have the width of the salon, so we put it all together in one area. Texas is a little different. All the customer request to do a same-time service, so we have more pedicure chair than the manicuring station. In order for us to separate the area, we wanted to do something more high-end, high-class. So we went with the stainless steel, kind of laminated gold stainless steel. And as you can see, we have pretty close to 40 pedicure chairs in this particular salon, and we kind of spread them out because of the unique shape of the salon. And the main feature that we usually have for the Venetian is the main feature wall, where we have showcased the Venetian, so people can come and take photo and remember which salon they are at. So everyone is getting the services done and have special guests. And you can see that we have a couple of special guests here too that come and visit us. Most of the time we do a showcase of the wax studio, so the customer can see it easily when they walk in. And they have facial rooms back here. Because of this particular area at the Memorial Green, we have a special VIP room. Particular customer, VIP guest, they request private services. You can see it here. Because today is a grand opening, we haven't had a complete setup yet, but pretty much this is how it's going to be. One special important fact that we do here at the Venetian, and all about the Venetian salon, we use, if you can see all the high-end pedicure chair, they have all the function, a Gulf Stream that made for us, customized for us. They matching the laminate of the panel wall to the laminate of the chair, the base of the chair itself. So as you can see, very comfortable. They have arm massage, arm rest, and the pedicure chair from Gulf Stream. Another important fact that we go with Gulf Stream, and is the one jet. The one jet. This is the one jet, the new revolution that these are disposable. So after a particular service the customer use, they just dispose the jet. We don't reuse the jet anymore. So this is very light, very convenient. So you can take this out in front of the customer. After we use, we just throw it away. So very convenient for one jet from Gulf Stream. I think that should be a quick wrap, a tour of the salon, and I appreciate your time to watch this video, and thank you for welcoming us to another addition to the Houston family.